Hi, I'm Sherry here at the Little Beading Closet. I have this box that PotomacBeads sent me to share with all of you. It's for October of 2024. Enjoy the unboxing with me as I bring out all the beads and show them to you up close and let you know what they are. Let's first look at these two Athena cast heart charms along with these seed beads. These seed beads come in a pretty opaque navy. They're a size 11 seed bead. And if you know, you know, navy seed beads can be one of the hardest colors to nail. But I think this is a good example of them being not too dark and not too bright. What do you think? And 2mm bicone crystals by PotomacBeads. They really make a great variety of colors in these, and they're really nice. Look at them sparkle. Although nothing really sparkles quite as much as the Potomac crystal cylinders. These are light tanzanite AB. They're 4mm in length. I have them in other colors and I'm always playing with them, coming up with new designs. I'm really glad to see these in the box this month. And there's a full strand of 3mm check barrel beads. And these really pretty 4mm check faceted rounds. There's no color included, although if I had to make a guess, it looks like they're in Montana blue. And before I put them away, I'm going to show you this blue dragon thread they included. This is the color of the dragon thread compared to the beads. And we have a set of stacking jars. And we have this strand of 3mm round faceted agate beads. It has a good mix of colors to work into different projects. This is a very impressive color in this 2-hole storm duo bead. It's actually called Jet Red Luster. It's a metallic. How pretty. And another impressive finish is this Jet AB on these check glass leaves. And in case you're wondering, the hole is oriented through the bead this direction. And there's also this large check glass pendant bead this month. And there's two colors of these check glass 8mm faceted rounds. That's the size used in this bracelet pattern here. It's on my YouTube channel, so I'll go ahead and put a link in the description below so you can find it. And this is a bag of assorted shapes. You never know exactly what will be in it, but it might be just the bead you need to complete a project. And there's also these check prop beads. They're just a really pretty color. And when you find some check beads that you really like, you can always use pearl knotting to make a beautiful bracelet. Thanks so much for checking out these beautiful beads with me this month. And if you didn't know, the cylinder beads are definitely my favorite. Until next time, have a beautiful day.